Alright guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Enthusiast back, and I mean have this 2022 Jeep Compass. Okay, this is a second generation facelift, which would be from 2022 to 2023, 2024 maybe. Alright, so if you have a car between 22 and 2022 and 2023, this video is for you. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this baby real quick and how to set the oil life. All right, shouldn't be that hard. Pause. Before I jump into action, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, anything you want to say, put in the comment box. And if you're gonna comment, put out where you're from. All right, and if you want to support the channel, down here there's a heart, super thanks. Click on that, show your love. As a return of kindness, you know what I'm saying? Do your part. I would appreciate it a lot from the bottom of my heart. Yeah. Let's get that stool. Yeah. So right here, this is how you open the hood. Okay, it tells you right here too. All right. You see the vibes. Now right here, you can see the latch for the hood. Okay, you're gonna need the kickstand. It's not gonna stay out by itself. You're gonna put it up there. This is a 2.4. All right, pow in your face. Engine oil cap tells you what type of oil it takes. 0W20. Okay. Now right here we have the coolant reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir, fuse box, battery, brake fluid reservoir. Okay, engine air filter, alternator, radiator fan. Okay, pretty much. This is for the AC if you want to recharge it. One port. This is the other port. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Alright, right here where everything is beautiful. See what's going on. See what's up. EPB, okay. Not that difficult though. You can do it without the scanner. Just remove those bolts, the Allen ones. Remove this, and you'll see this groove in a shape like this, and just put your torque or heads. Turn it all the way to the right, then you can push the piston, caliper piston. Okay, and once you're done putting the new brake pads, just put the EPB back. That's it. No biggie. All right, here, back to this. Oil drain plug and oil filter right here. Okay. All right, let's do this. Alright, this drain plug is going to be 13 millimeter socket, wrench, whatever you want to use. Okay, let's remove it. Alright, that's pretty much it. Let's drain it. Let's wait for it, and I'll be back. All right, we drain most of it. Good. Let's put the oil drain plug back. Tie it, snug it with the 13 millimeter socket. Clean after yourself. Now we're gonna do the oil filter. All right. When I was gonna do it with the Hold on, bear with me. I got the tool ready. Might get a splash. Chop. Might as well just hold the camera. You never know. This should be this should be safe. All right. Let it drain for a minute. If you don't want to wait, just grab the rag. There you go. You see your oil filter, it's dry, right? The gasket, oil ring, whatever you want to call it, it's dry. So we're just gonna lube it with the same oil and mount it. Pretty much. And that's it to it. Okay. All right. Now let's pour new oil in the engine. Let's go. The book says that I need 5.5 quarts, 5.5, okay, of 0W20, okay? That's full synthetic. Now it says 5.5, right? Which will be like 5 quarts in a half. But I'm gonna pour 5 first, and then check the level from there, okay? Pretty much. From here, I just removed the funnel. I'm gonna put the engine oil cap back. I'm gonna start the car and let it idle for a minute. Let's check the oil level. This guy back in, pull it out. Let's see. Now this is with 5 quarts, which is right here. It's supposed to be here, but it's right here. Right? It's right here. You can see it. Yeah, it's right here. So the other half should do it. When I pour the other half, check the level, the oil level again. Oh, definitely. 5.5 with filter. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna check it again. Let's see. Should do it now. Oh yeah, 5.5. Right there. Right at the money. Okay. Right there. So it's 5.5, full synthetic, 0W20. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. This is Jeep, right? Okay. And I'm gonna shut it down. Okay. I'm gonna step on the brake, press the start button. Car is running right now. You're probably gonna see the message that it says oil change required. Okay, that's fine. All right. I'm gonna shut it down. Don't step on the brake pedal. Just press it once. Okay. Now you step on the gas pedal 3 times. See? This one right here. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you go to messages, you're gonna use this one right here, up, down, okay? You're gonna go down, 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 down. Messages, no store messages. So that's how you reset the oil life in this baby, okay? Hope you like the video, hope you enjoy. You know where to find me, it's me, Stu, Donald Trump with the pirates. I'm gonna leave it right here. Support the channel, don't forget that, all right? If you're gonna leave a message, tell me where you're from, okay? And how you like this car. Am I forgetting anything? No, that's it. Also, you want to support more the channel, down here, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it, go through it, show your love, do your thing, do your part. You know what I'm saying? And I'm out. See you in the next one. Stu, boom.